This powerful 3/8 of an inch NPT air valve with exceptional high flow delivers unparalleled performance for 12-volt vehicles. The unique design provides high pressure control at minimal power consumption. Valve supports pressures of up to 210 psi and is constructed with high-quality brass to ensure continuous use through extreme conditions. Solenoid is pre-wired, a metal mounting bracket is included, and the airflow direction is clearly marked with an arrow to provide an easy trouble-free installation. Ideal for air suspension applications.